We're finally going to make this kitchen white today. We have the owner of Total Kitchen Makeover, Sarah, here. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. This has been something Danielle and I have been talking about for
years.
What, like 5 years?
Years,
And it's
I remember.
finally coming to fruition.
And you're here to help make it pretty.
Let's do this.
Yeah! First, a quick recap on this kitchen's journey. It had chocolate brown cabinets with tan counters when we bought it. I changed the counters to light gray stone and installed a matching backsplash 4 years ago. Still hated the cabinets. So last month, my dad and I built the short cabinets up to the ceiling with the plan to have Total Kitchen Makeover come in and reface them with white laminate and new doors and drawer fronts. Their installer, Josh, started by covering all the cabinet boxes with 1/4-inch plywood. That gives them a nice surface to put the white laminate on top. Then Josh pulled out special glue that you can't get at the hardware store. He spread that on the plywood and the back of the white laminate sheets. Then we carefully placed that sheeting onto the cabinet boxes.
You just work the end and I'll work the middle and this end.
Okay.
But don't let it stick, 'cause once it sticks, it's stuck.
Oh, so, okay. I think
Are you
I
back?
have a little bit of an edge, yeah. Oh, we're pushing, huh? We're pushing?
Yeah, and you want to work your way out to keep any bubbles and pull it away from the wall because it's hitting the wall.
Oh! Did I screw up?
No.
Oh, I screwed up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah, he says. What do you do?
I'm going to get a hammer and tap it up.
Easy fix. Then we rolled over it with a special tool to smooth it out. After that, he used a router to cut off the extra. Then after filing and sanding the edges, we put the laminate on the face.
Okay. There we go. Okay, and that's good. Just push it on in the corner, make sure it sticks, and then just work your way.
Time to cut out the cabinet holes. After covering the whole kitchen with the white, he cut out all the holes, filed off all the excess. Here's where the magic comes in. Notice the doors are much taller than the actual opening of the cabinet. That way, when they're shut, it gives the illusion that the cabinets really do go to the ceiling. He also put in all new drawer fronts with soft close drawer slides and door hinges, then crown molding for the cherry on top. And here it is with the hardware installed. So much lighter and brighter. Looks like a brand new kitchen, but for a fraction of the cost of new cabinets alone. And this was not sponsored. I paid for this out of pocket after saving for years. Now all that's left to do is some DIY magic on the glass that goes in these open doors. So stay tuned for that. Danielle Tedesco, KOB4.